Here, thank you. Giggy doll. Pillow pet. It's the pillow. It's the pet. It's the pillow pet. This is Zippity Zebra, but I have not named him yet. That's his sexy body. He's so sexy. Look out. Look, they scream. Nom, 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 nom. And this is Jeffy. This is Jeffy. This is his sister. And that's Angela doing her makeup. Yeah, that's their soap. And then they're bestest buds. Even though the man has the pink, it's okay. We won't judge. Hey. Hey, double rainbow SpongeBob person.
Double rainbow! What does this mean? Hey, you're not gonna post all that.
SpongeBob didn't do that.
I know, but he completes it. You're not gonna post that, are you?
No. What's with the red?
Hey, what did you know? It's blood. What did you just do? Your little twerk. God. Hey, do you have eyeliner?
Yeah. Either in that basket.
Like the waterproof kind?
I think there's some waterproof over there.
Is it all dried up?
No.
I don't see it.
Oh. It's a black one.
Yeah.
That's a silver cap.
Huh?
Over there.
I do it.
Okay. You're sexy. Accept it. Okay. This is Freaky Chick 0514 signing out.
That's right.
Yeah.